Welcome back to our channel to Three Idiot. Now I want to play this little Flippy world. My bird is flying. Hi. Now I'm started 1, 2, 3. Go my bird. Yes, my bird. You can do it. Yes. Yes. Do it, my bird. You can do it, my bird. The journey, the green jelas. It's hot. What is it? My bird. Come on, my bird. Come on, fly. Fly, you pulsa. Oh, shit. Come on, fly, my bird. Yeah, you. It's hot. Yes, it is. Yes, I'm sorry. Oh, no. Go, my bird. Yes. Go, my bird. Yes, I'm still. Shh. Go, my. Yes, I'm still flying. Now, you just watch this movie or these videos. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. One more time. Please, you can. This is really one time. If you not finish this game, I'm stop this video right now. And 1, 2, 3. Really? You do with that? One more time. You not do it. Cut you over that. Ha ha ha. What you say? Oh, my flag! Ow! One more time. You not going. I'm spoiled of you. Fuck you, bitch. Ow! Okay, guys. This is more video is difficult. This Floppy bird is difficulty hard. Don't forget to comment, like, share. If you like. If you love this video, like. If you and don't forget to subscribe, yeah. To comment, subscribe, like, and more. You do it, man. Floppy up. You can do it, man.